Everyone says start a side hustle, make more money, and your problems go away. But what if that's only half the story? Here's the truth. More money doesn't fix bad systems. If you don't know where your current income goes, extra income will disappear too. I've seen people double their income and still end up broke. They pick up freelance work, drive for rideshare, sell things online, the money comes in, and then it vanishes just like their paycheck. Why? Because they never built a system to capture it. Extra money without a plan just becomes extra spending. It floats away into random purchases and lifestyle upgrades you didn't even notice. A side hustle only works if you know exactly where that money is going before you earn it. What if you could see the exact impact of a side hustle on your finances before you start one? What if you could watch how an extra $300 a month changes your savings timeline? The Finance Reset Toolkit has a side hustle simulator built in. You toggle it on, enter the amount, and watch your financial picture transform in real time. You see how fast your emergency fund grows, how quickly your debt disappears, how much closer your goals become. Now your side hustle has a purpose. Every dollar has a destination. Nothing gets lost. People using this system are finally seeing results from their extra work. Their side hustle money is building wealth instead of vanishing. If you want your side hustle to actually matter, tap the link in my bio and get the Finance Reset Toolkit. This video is for informational purposes. Results vary based on individual financial situations.